Hey legends, want to flex in the air with Skydive Emotes? Let me show you how to equip them. First, go to the Legend Locker tab from the main menu. Then select your main legend and click on the emote wheel and Skydive Emotes. Here, you will see all available Skydive Emotes for each legend. Click on the one you want and equip it. Collecting skydive emotes are fun and all, but remember, you can only equip 4 at a time. Pro tip, if you have multiple emotes, you can swap between them in midair. Just hold space in-game to open the skydive wheel and select the emote you want. Otherwise, just spam the space bar to cycle through your different emotes. Now drop in and show off your style. Like and follow for more Apex tips. See you in the arena, legends.